In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an uploaded file in Canva. If you've added files to Canva and want to clean up your uploads, remove something outdated, or simply stay organized, this is a very quick process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Canva on your device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're in Canva, go ahead and open the design where you want to manage your uploaded files. This can be any existing project, as long as it gives you access to the editor. After your design is open, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where Canva keeps different tools and elements for your project. In that menu, click on Uploads. The Uploads section is where your images, videos, and other files are stored after you've added them to Canva. Once you're in the Uploads area, take a moment to find the file you want to delete. If you have a lot of uploaded content, it may help to scroll slowly and make sure you're selecting the correct file before removing it. This is especially useful if you have similar-looking images or multiple versions of the same asset. When you've found the file you want to remove, select it so Canva knows which upload you want to manage. Be careful here, because deleting the wrong file may mean you'll need to upload it again later if you still need it. After selecting the file, go ahead and confirm the delete action when Canva prompts you. This final confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental removal. Once you confirm, the file will be deleted from your uploads. And that's it. As you can see, deleting an uploaded file in Canva only takes a few moments. Keeping your uploads organized can make it much easier to work faster, especially if you use Canva often and upload many assets over time. If you're following along, just make sure you complete each part in order. Open Canva, open your design, go to Uploads, choose the file you want to remove, and confirm the deletion. With that done, your Canva uploads will be a little cleaner and easier to manage.